I'm back with another video. Today we are reviewing Crumbi cookies. Isis is here and True is here. So let's begin. I have to tell you guys what all the flavors we have after I get my glove on.
Why does it take so much effort for love?
I don't know. Is my hand getting fat?
Big
Why don't you be a slap? Sorry. If I forget the name of these things, don't get mad at me.
Is that called Pink Child?
Pink sugar. And we had 6 cookies, but we got 2 of the same milk chocolate.
And somebody kidnapped one of our...
I brought one for 2. So my sister got one. Now we're going to tell y'all what's the name of these other ones. We have milk chocolate, pink sugar, right?
Yeah.
Cake batter, maple oatmeal, and what's this? Buckeye brownie?
Yeah, Buckeye brownie.
Look, you guys. Oh! We always let the youngest go first. Which cookie do you want to try first?
Chocolate.
Which chocolate?
The most chocolate-iest.
The Buckeye brownie.
Buckeye brownie.
We're going to try the Buckeye brownie cookie first, and here's my knife to cut. And since I have my gloves, I'm going to lift it up and let y'all see how it looks. Buckeye brownie. Okay. I knew he was going to pick this cookie because he was talking about it the time I showed it to him.
What's that, chocolate?
I should have had got the cookie cutter.
Did you just say chocolate?
Who?
Chocolate.
Hey, what's that? Caramel on it?
Yeah,
You sure?
a butterscotch.
Well, let me just give this part to you without all that on it because I don't want to make... I took it off the top for him. Y'all, I'm going to be the only one able to eat this Buckeye brownie because I just realized that they got chocolate and peanut butter on it. So, these 2 guys can't have it. But I'm going to taste this for him. Pig is eating a piece, but I took the peanut butter off it.
Now,
So.
let me get the edge.
Yeah, I'll give you the edge because Pig didn't have no peanut butter on his because I made sure I took it off before I gave it to him. So they go taste around the edge of the cookie. I'm going to get the whole experience. There you go. But I can take the top off for you if you still want that cookie in the end, okay? Alright, let me tell y'all how this tastes.
Is
It's
this
good?
Not bad.
I don't like this. Yo, it's good. At first I wasn't feeling it, but as I chewed it up a little bit more, it became very delicious.
Pink.
It's real good.
Yeah,
Will I buy this again? No.
Yeah, you like it.
It's stinking. Can you go get 2 new knives out the freezer? Not freezer. Off the counter. You liked it though?
Yeah, like it was great.
It's good.
How the aftertaste is great. Purr. Ooh, no.
No.
The pink. Yeah,
Why you figure I'm gonna pick the pink? Come on. Which
nah,
one?
I'm gonna get the. I tried the other one.
Which one?
What the other one called?
Cake batter.
Yeah, the cake
This?
batter. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to show them how it looks. Hold on. Use my glove. This is the cake batter. I hate saying batter. I do. Oh, it smells so good.
Ah, smell. That would be too good. I ain't even gonna lie, yeah. That might be the best one already.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, definitely.
20 out of 10.
Right. That brought my eating skill right there.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, it's just like a burst. A burst of taste. 8 mix thing. Cake batter was very good.
Delicious.
So now I am going to try the maple oatmeal.
No.
Yes. Y'all, this is how it looks.
Smell it. Make sure it's not peanut butter.
It's not. Peanut butter look like that. This is
Yeah,
glazed
oatmeal.
caramel on top of this.
Yeah.
It smells pretty good. It smells like oats too. Great piece, cause we.
It smells like gingerbread.
It do. Are you ready?
Okay. Not bad. Yeah, it do give the gingerbread a little bit.
I don't fuck with it. I mean, it giving holiday like
Gingerbread.
like Christmas for real. It's a Christmas cookie.
What's wrong with Christmas?
Maple oatmeal is kind of Christmas.
You scared your blood stick to your cookie?
Mm-hmm.
Santa Claus gonna give it.
All right.
What you rate that one?
7.
I gave about a 6.
What about you, Steve?
8.
Oh, you really like that one. Okay, now pink sugar. That's what it called. Right?
Pink sugar, yeah.
And this is how it looks. I got a feeling I'm really ain't gonna like the top of that.
For real.
Alright, y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
My hair, you need to pop. No. I don't like that one at all. And you thought that was gonna be the best.
Right.
It tastes like it tastes like the little pink medicine. You know, the medicine you still
Cut big small.
Yes. I don't like that.
It kind of gives like the ice cream kind of taste, but
The cookie part is okay, but that top
the icing.
tastes like medicine. Okay.
It's bad and it's good.
Mm.
Yeah, it kind of got its ups and downs. Like when you first chew it, nah. As you swallow, you're like, okay, I can work with it a little bit.
I can't
I
fuck with
couldn't
it.
stop myself from eating.
We got the chocolate chip cookie left. I already had a piece of this one earlier, and this is I go to Crumbl Cookie all the time, and we always get a whole 6-pack of chocolate chips, so I already know how this one tastes. And so does Pig, but we gonna try it one more time. You don't like this one? We always get this when we come. And I already had a piece of my sister on earlier.
Yep, the usual.
This is my favorite Crumbl cookie.
Yep.
My second favorite, now that I done got some more, I have really fucked with this.
Oh yeah.
The cake batter.
Cake
It
batter
was so good. That was the
Yes.
best one for me. What was your favorite?
The Christmas.
Oh, the
Which
maple
one?
oatmeal.
Oh, Pig like the maple oatmeal the best. What was yours? True. Cake batter got 2 of our votes, and Pig liked the maple oatmeal, and I'm surprised that he liked it that. Because he kept telling me that he wanted the chocolate one until he found out.
So what was your least favorite?
That pink sugar.
Yeah, the pink sugar.
That was my least favorite. Will I buy that again? Nope.
Nope.
Now I will buy the cake batter
Cake batter,
again,
for
and
sure.
of course the milk chocolate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, leave nice comments, press the bell button, and share this video with your family and friends. We will see you guys next time. You want out this box? The hair. You don't want none of them?
No.
You want me to save them?
No.
What?
Eat them.
Choose which way you want.
The battle.
You don't want nothing else?
Um.
Chocolate chip.